Study skill. Use a number map. Taking good notes. How you heard the expression a picture is worth 1,000 words. Sometimes the best notes you take in math class might be in the form of the drawing. Just as a route map shows how cities are related to each other, a number map can show how numbers are related to each other. Start by placing a number in the center of the map. Below is a number map that shows various meanings of the decimal 0.5. Notice that you can add both mathematical meaning and everyday meaning to the number maps. Skill practice. Make a number map for each number. For whole number, think of factor, prime factor, divisibility, place value, and so on. 10. 1. 0.75, 2. 0.1, 3. 0.01, 4. 1.25, 5. 2.5, 6. 25, 7. 45, 8. 60, 9. 100. 10. Refer to exercise 1. Explain how each mathematical or everyday meaning of the number map relates of the decimal 0.75. 3.5. Adding and subtracting decimal. What you will learn: add and subtract decimal. Review vocabulary. Evaluate. Find the value of an expression by replacing variable with numerals. When am I ever going to ask this? Movies. The table shows the top 5 movies based on gross amount earned in a weekend. 1. Estimates the total amount of money earned by the top 5 movies. 2. Add the digit in the same place value position. Use estimation to place the decimal point in the sum. To add or subtract decimal, add or subtract digit in the same place value position. Be sure to line up the decimal point before you add or subtract. Example: add decimal. Find the sum of 23.1 and 5.8. Example: subtract decimal. Find 5.774 minus 2.371. You turn and add or subtract. Sometimes it is necessary to annix zeros before you subtract. Example: annix zeros. Find 6 minus 2.38. You turn subtract. Real life careers. How does a personal trainer ask math? Personal trainer ask statistics and geometry in their work. They also keep record of time improvement for their audience. Example: use decimal to solve a problem. Speed skating. The table shows the top 3 times for the speed skating event in the world: 1000, 2002. Winter Olympic. What is the time difference between first place and third place? So difference between first place and third place is 0.41 second. You can also use decimal to evaluate algebraic expression. Example, evaluate an expression. Algebra evaluates x plus y if x is 2.85 and y is 17.975. The value is 20.825. This value is close the same the estimate, so the answer is reasonable. Your turn. Evaluate this expression if A is 2.56 and B is 28.96. Skill and concept check. Write math. Explain how you would find the sum of 3.3 and 2.89. 2. Open-ended write a subtraction problem it is helpful to annex a 0. 3. Find the error. Ryan and Akiko are finding 8.9 minus 3.72. Who is correct? Explaining. Number 4. Number sense. Pick 5 numbers for the list below whose sum is 10.2. Use each number only once. Guided practice. Add or subtract. Algebra evaluate S minus T if S is 9 and T is 4.25. Practice in application. Add or subtract. Algebra evaluate each expression if A is 128.9 and D is 22.035. Find the value of each expression. 31. Statistic. Ask the table to find out how many more students per teacher in California than in Nevada. 32. Money. How much change will you receive if you gave a cashier $20 for a purchase that cost $18.74? For exercise 33 and 34, find a counterexample for each statement. 33. The sum of two decimals having their last non-zero digit in the same hundred in the hundred place also has a last non-zero digit in the hundred place. 34. The difference of two decimals having their last non-zero digit in the tens place also has its last non-zero digit in the tens place. 35. Write a problem. Write about a real-life situation that can be solved using addition or subtraction of decimal. Cars. For exercise 36 to 39, use the information in the table The top 5 choices for every 100 people are listed in the table. 36. Find the total number of people per 100 who chose the top 5 most popular colors. 37. How many more people per 100 chose black over white? 38. Multi-step. How many more people per 100 chose to the top 3 color than the last 2? 39. Do you believe that the colors chosen from year to year will the same? Explain your reasoning. 40. Algebra. What is value of A plus B if A is 126.68 and B is 1.987.9. 41. Critical thinking. Arrange the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 into 2 decimal so that their difference is as close to 0 as possible. Use each digit only once. Spiral. Review with standard test practice. 42. Multiple choice. The table shows the daily hits per 1000 for the top 5 websites for a recent month. What was the number of daily hits per 100 for all of the websites? 43. Multiple choice. Dozen purchased $13.72 worth of gasoline. He received $10 back from the attendant. How much did Dasan give the attendant? Estimate. As an appropriate method. 48. Round 28.561 to the nearest 10. Greeting rate for the next lesson. Prerequisite skill: add, subtract, multiply, or divided.